Hello guys, welcome to Dotnet Tutor. In this video we are going to learn about background image, how to give background image for our HTML page or HTML div section. So let's see. In the last video we have discussed about how to give background color and how to give some opacity for that section of like div or page. So in this video we are going to learn about how to give background image, how to give a background repeat, how to give a background attachment. So this is background image. We In this video we are going to learn about these topics: background position, background size. So we are going to discuss about these topics. So please do like and subscribe for more videos. So and please do practice more, so that every programmer will get perfect by practicing only. So let's get started. So go to Visual Studio. So I have created one MVC project. So in this I am going to index.html page. So for writing HTML code you need to select HTML page. So here I take one div and I wrote a welcome to CSS tutorial heading with h1, and in the div another div I have taken. So h2 div like and subscribe, this is a heading 2. So I am saving this one and I will show you how the plain page is looking like. So we are having CSS page in the CSS folder under www root. If you see here, so in this you have to write a CSS code. So this is index.cshtml, this is a HTML page. So under this we have div section. So I'm saving and running the page. So let's wait for the page to load. So here how the page looks: welcome to CSS tutorial, and this is do like and subscribe. This is the content between the header and footer. So this header and footer is default one, and we have changed in the content middle of this. So I want to give some background for this middle content. So let's see. Let's stop the solution. Let's stop the solution and give some. So image. So we are working on image. So I want that image. So I will create here one folder for images to store. Right click, add new folder. So I'm here creating images. So in the images folder is created. So right click on images folder and add existing item. So go to the folder in which images are there. I have selected image. So how it looks like. So this is the image I want to give in the background section of div. So before that I need to go to CSS page and give one method here. CSS method starts with dot and name it mybg open bracket. So here background, type background image, and here you will get some properties, attributes. So select URL and here you will get. So if you type here, automatically you will see www root, and if you type image I, it will show images folder, and here select bgg. So save it and run it. Sorry, we need to mention this function in the div. So I'm stopping. So go to index. We need to give this mybg class to be applied to this text. So this is how our background is looking. So far what we have did, I will explain. So we have created one solution, and here images folder we have created, added one background, and here the particular div we have created one content, and after this we have added first we added some mybg function in CSS page, and after that this mybg is given to this div. So class is equal to mybg. So save this. So actually because of the content is very small, so our background is appearing a little bit only compared to this one. So let's try adding more content. So I will stop the solution and try to give more content. So for time being I will add the content which is already wrote. Control C and Control V. Save this, run it. So this is how our web page is looking. So but it is getting repeated. See, background is repeated. So we will adjust that one, no problem. Stop the solution and go to CSS. Here we have to write a background repeat. We should not repeat that background, it should not repeat. So I am giving repeat, no repeat. Save it and check once again. See, repeat is gone. Repeat is gone, but I'm having sample data now. Actually this background is not covering this little bit of portion, so we need to adjust that also, no problem. So sorry for the interrupt. So we added no repeat. Save the changes and see the page. So here this is the page, so the image is not repeated, and we will check for background attachment. So background attachment is fixed. Let's see this one. Save the changes and run again, or you can refresh this thing. See, image is fixed between our section, div section. If you check, I am scrolling up and down, but image is always fixed. So this is how fixed property is working. And now I will write background attachment is scroll, so the image will scroll. Control F5. So here the image is not fixed, the image is scrolling. Before that image is get fixed and the content is scrolled. Now the image with the content both are scrolling down and up. This is how it works. Now we will check for background position. Background position or size. Background position. So here bottom center we will have properties attributes like center we can give. Let's give center. Save this. So here the image is center, but it is not covering our content, it is disturbing. So according to the requirement, or according to as your wish, like how the web page should look, we can adjust accordingly. So I adjusted here, but the image is content, image is in the center. So I will change this. You can change these settings based on the requirement, as your client said. So I'm giving left, I'm keeping the position left. Save this and refresh. See, the image is going some aligned left side. So if I give right, control S, save that. So the image is aligned right, you can see here. So if I give inherit, it will adjust accordingly, control S. So like this, so it is adjusted. This is how it is working. So I'm giving background, position is completed, attachment is completed. I will give background size is auto. Let's give auto, save and refresh. So the automatically image is adjusted, it will be adjusted. So if I give background size is contain or cover, you can give cover, control S. So it is covering all our content. See, no gaps here. So image is covering all content in our div section. So if you want some manual size as your requirement, I will give here. I have some requirement like fixed size. I need 500 pixels overall. So save that, refresh. So it is 500 pixels, all the like the image is having. So here now I want a background size of 1000 pixels, and height also I want 1000 pixels. So we can adjust width and height by using a background size, control save, control S, save this and check this, check our page, refresh. So save this and check this, and you can see here 1000 by 1000 size. So like this you can give background size. So that's it in this video. I will get back to you with another video. So thanks for watching. Please share with your friends, please like this video. So thank you guys.